Welcome back. We're now going to solve the problem of specifically we want to display name vertically, right? What does that mean? It really means I want to print each character on a separate line. What's the first character? I'm going to say cout name sub 0 and skip a line. What are we going to do next? Well, we're going to do that. I hate this thing. Boom. Name sub 1, sub 2. Come on now. Sub 3, etc. When are you going to tell me to stop? What does this look like? How many times must I do line 32? And you're going to say it depends on what? The length of the string. So let's go back to the small string, Ed Jones, so we don't get overwhelmed. All right, let's clean some of this up. This makes no sense, right? Anymore. This makes sense. Boom. All right. So let's go ahead and run the code, compile this as we did before, and see what comes out. So we're going to compile, run it, and we're getting what's coming out. Whoa, 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 whoa. What's going on here? I'm compiling the wrong file. I said string 1, not string 2. Okay, might want to pay attention. All right. And so what are we seeing over here? Let's raise this up a little bit. Need to increase this. This is not good. What we're getting is ed space jo. All right. So it looks like we're on the right track. So what do we need to do here, though? We want to solve this so it's always correct. So it sounds like we need some repetition. How many times do we need to repeat? It depends on the length of the string. So what kind of loop is appropriate for this? For loop. Ooh, 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 ooh. Pay close attention. I want to pick out which character to display. But the characters by position have numbers, right? Starting at 0, ending where? Ending at the length of the string minus 1. So it sounds like we need what kind of loop? In a for loop. Position starts at 0. Position is less than, if you want to say it this way, you can, length, name dot length minus 1, and position plus plus. And what's the body of this? It's simply this. Here's a body. Instead of putting the 0 there, we're going to put what? We're going to put the variable that's 0 the first time, 1 the second time, 2 the second time, and that variable is pause. All right? Does everybody see what we just did? We started writing out the pattern and we said, hey, the pattern is pretty simple. We just got to vary the position. So let's go ahead and compile this and run it and Sure enough, we're getting the output that we want. All right? Are you ready for this? Are you ready? It's time. What I want to do now, and we'll be done, display name in reverse. But we're going to do it horizontally. All right? So I want to see SENOJ space DE. That's what I want to see come out. Well, how do we do that? We're going to say see out the last character. What's the last character? Name sub name dot length -1. We're not skipping spaces this time. Is that clear? What comes next? It's getting a little nasty here because we're going to do the same thing. We're going to say -2, -3, -4, -5, etc. all the way down to 0. Is that clear? We were on our way to doing this. I do hate this thing. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it. -1, -2, -3, -4, all the way down to we really want to get down to 0. So what kind of loop do we need? What kind of loop do we need? Well, we really need a loop that counts backwards, don't we? So we need to say for int position starts at name dot length -1. And the final position is what? Greater than or equal to 0. And we're doing what with the position? We're subtracting. We're going backwards. And we're going to output name sub position. That's all. No skipping of lines. And when we're done, we're going to say skip a line. Okay? We start with the last character. We go all the way down and include the first character, and we keep decrementing. Name, POS, POS. All right, so let's try that real fast, and then we're going to pull up. And we run it, and we see strange business here. Let's see. Display vertically. What's going on? Funny business. Let's do it again. Swing 2. Oh, what's going on? I said return. I stopped the program here. I wasn't paying attention. I stopped the program. There's nothing wrong with it. I just forgot to put my stuff in its place. All right, almost done. Now I'm going to run this, and you have this that we look forward to. Okay, let's bridge this.